Welcome to Tungal online classes. Let's have next problem. Find all the points of discontinuity of the function. Find all the points of discontinuity of the function f of x equal to x square plus 1 if x value less than or equal to 1, x plus 1 if x value greater than 1. Find all the points of discontinuity means at what point given function is discontinuous. Find all the points of discontinuity means at what point given function is not continuous. Not continuous means discontinuous. In this case, particular point they have not given, means check the continuity of the function throughout its domain. First check the continuity at this point, right? First check at 1, after that less than 1 and greater than 1. Find all the points of discontinuity of the function. In other words, question is check the continuity of the function. Check the continuity of the function or find all the points of discontinuity. Find all the points of discontinuity of the function. Particular point they have not given. So check at this point, same procedure only, left hand limit, right hand limit and functional value. Left hand limit is equal to limit extending to 1 minus f of x, then limit extending to 1 minus, what is our f of x? Extending to 1 minus, extending to 1 minus means less than 1. When x is less than 1, what is our f of x? X square plus 1, right? Replace f of x. After replacing f of x, put this x value, right? X value 1 means 1 square plus 1 only, that's equal to 2. This is our left hand limit value. Similarly evaluate right hand limit RHL, that's equal to limit extending to 1 plus f of x, then limit extending to 1 plus, what is our f of x? Extending to 1 plus. Extending to 1 plus means x value more than 1. Once x value more than 1, our f of x is x plus 1, right? Replace f of x as x plus 1. That's equal to 1 plus 1, it will be 2. Then, what is f of 1? When x value exactly 1, consider function as x square plus 1, so 1 square plus 1, that's equal to 2. Left hand limit equal to LHL is same as RHL is same as f of 1, right? Means function is continuous at 1. Therefore, f is continuous. F is continuous at x equal to 1. But find all the points of discontinuity means we have to check the continuity for all the numbers in its domain. At 1 it is continuous. What about all other points? Just write one sentence. After proving f is continuous at 1, conclude what about more than 1 and less than 1, right? f of x equal to x square plus 1 for all x value less than 1. Already we verified at 1, so excluding 1, strictly less than 1, because already we have verified at 1 function is continuous. What about less than 1 and more than 1? F of x equal to x square plus 1 for all x value less than 1, being a polynomial function, Clearly x square plus 1 is a quadratic polynomial, and we have result every polynomial is continuous everywhere. F of x equal to x square plus 1 for all x less than 1 being a polynomial function or being a polynomial, therefore f of x is continuous for all x less than 1, because it is polynomial when x is less than 1. Then similarly write one more sentence, f of x equal to x plus 1, f of x equal to x plus 1 for all x value greater than 1 being a polynomial function. Again it is polynomial. F of x equal to x plus 1 when x value more than 1, clearly it is polynomial, and we know that every polynomial is continuous everywhere. Therefore f of x is continuous for all x greater than 1. From the result, because polynomial, every polynomial is continuous everywhere, function is continuous for more than 1, continuous for less than 1, and at 1 also continuous. Means in this case, what are the points of discontinuity? Points of discontinuity means at what point a given function is discontinuous. There is no point of discontinuity in this problem, right? In this question, there is no point of discontinuity. Means this function is continuous for all the real numbers, because at 1 it is continuous, less than 1 continuous, more than 1 continuous, means it is continuous everywhere only. Therefore there is no point of discontinuity. No point of discontinuity. This model problems also important, right? First check at given point, after that less than 1 and more than 1. Writing these two sentences are very important. What about more than 1 and less than 1, right? Next problem. Find all the points of discontinuity of the function f of x equal to x power 10 minus 1 if x value less than or equal to 1, x square if x value greater than 1. Find all the points of discontinuity of the function f of x equal to x power 10 minus 1 if x value less than or equal to 1, x square if x value more than 1. Find all the points of discontinuity. Again same procedure only. At 1 check the continuity, after that less than 1 and more than 1 just write the sentence, right? At x equal to 1, left hand limit f of x, in this case f of x is x power 10 minus 1, means 1 power 10 minus 1, it will be 0. Similarly evaluate right hand limit, that is f of x equal to x square only. Right hand limit at 1 is f of x, our f of x is x square when x is more than 1, then 1 square, it will be 1. Then what is functional value? When x is equal to 1, function is x power 10 minus 1, means when x is exactly 1, instead of x put x value 1, 1 power 10 minus 1, it will be 1 minus 1, 0. Left hand limit value not equal to right hand limit is not equal to f of 1. Therefore f is discontinuous or not continuous. Discontinuous at x equal to 1. At 1 it is discontinuous. What about all other points? F of x equal to x power 10 minus 1 when x value less than 1. Already we verified at 1. Just verify less than 1. At less than 1 and more than 1. x power 10 minus 1 when x value is less than 1. Clearly it is also a polynomial, right? Because it is polynomial of degree 10. Again same sentence only, f of x equal to x power 10 minus 1 for all x value less than 1 being a polynomial. Therefore f of x is continuous for all x less than 1. After that, f of x equal to x square. F of x equal to x square when x value more than is also a polynomial. It is quadratic polynomial. Therefore continuous for all greater than 1. In this case, function is continuous for all the real numbers less than 1 and more than 1, but discontinuous at x equal to 1. In this case, point of discontinuity is at x equal to 1. Lastly, write the conclusion. Therefore, point of discontinuity of f is at x equal to 1. X equal to 1 is point of discontinuity, means at 1 only this function is discontinuous, at all other points it is continuous. Because less than 1 polynomial, more than 1 also polynomial, already you know every polynomial is continuous everywhere. Every polynomial is continuous everywhere, means every polynomial is continuous. From that result, f of x equal to x square is polynomial function, so it is continuous. F of x equal to x power 10 minus 1 is polynomial, continuous. Therefore, point of discontinuity of the function is at x equal to 1 only. These model problems are also important, right? Next question. Find all the points of discontinuity of the function. Find all the points of discontinuity of the function x cube minus 3 if x value less than or equal to 2, x square plus 1 if x value greater than 2. Find all the points of discontinuity of the function f of x equal to x cube minus 3 if x value less than or equal to 2, x square plus 1 if x value greater than 2. Find all the points of discontinuity. Again same procedure only. Check the continuity at 2. After that simply write the sentence. Right? Next question. X cube minus 1 if x value less than 1, x square plus 1 if x value more than 1. Check the continuity at what point? First check the continuity at this point. At 2 means left hand limit notation extending to 2 minus f of x. Then what is limiting value? Left hand limit value extending to 2 minus. 2 minus means less than 2. When x value less than 2, what is our function? That is x cube minus 3. Now put x value 2. Then it will be 2 cube minus 3. That's equal to 5 only, because 2 cube is 8. 8 minus 3. That is 5. Similarly, evaluate right hand limit RHL at 2, that is extending to 2 plus f of x, extending to 2 plus f of x. What is f of x? When x value more than 2, when x value more than 2, our f of x is x square plus 1, that is 2 square plus 1, that is 2 square plus 1, it will be 5. Then what is f of 1? When x value exactly, sorry, f of 2 not 1, when x value exactly 2, then function is x cube minus 3, so it will be 2 cube minus 3, it gives 5 only. Left hand limit is equal to right hand limit equal to functional value at 2, means function is continuous at x equal to 2. Therefore, f is continuous at x equal to 2. Then what about all other points excluding 2? Simply write the sentence f of x equal to x cube minus 3. F of x equal to x cube minus 3 when x value less than 2. Again it is polynomial function only. X cube minus 3 is cubic polynomial. F of x equal to x cube minus 3 for all x value less than 2 being a polynomial function. Therefore f of x is continuous for all x less than 2. Similarly, when x value more than 2, function is x square plus 1. F of x equal to x square plus 1 when x value greater than 2, clearly it is also a polynomial, therefore continuous for all x value greater than 2. It is continuous for all more than 2 and less than 2 and at 2 also. This function is continuous for all x value more than 2, less than 2 and at x equal to 2. Then what you conclude? Means there is no point of discontinuity for this function. There is no point of discontinuity. Means it is everywhere continuous. For all the numbers it is continuous only. At 2 continuous, at less than 2 continuous, more than 2 continuous, means there is no point of discontinuity. Point of discontinuity. There is no point of discontinuity, means this function is continuous for all the numbers. One more problem. Find all the points of discontinuity of the function. Find all the points of discontinuity of the function mod x divided by x if x value not equal to 0, 0 if x value 0. Find all the points of discontinuity of the function f of x equal to mod x by x if x value not equal to 0, 0 when x is 0. Find all the points of discontinuity of the function. In this case also check the continuity at 0. After that more than 0 and less than 0. What is meaning of not equal to 0? Already you know not equal to 0 means either x value less than 0 or more than 0, right? Check the continuity at 0. First check the continuity at this point, means at 0. Evaluate left hand limit, right hand limit and functional value at x equal to 0, right? Extending to 0, left hand limit notation, extending to 0 minus f of x. After that replace f of x value extending to 0 minus f of x. 0 minus means less than 0. Once x value less than 0, what is our f of x? That is modulus of x divided by x. Once you put x value 0, what happens? It gives 0 by 0 form. So don't put x value because it gives 0 by 0. Once you get 0 by 0 form, 0 by 0 means indeterminate form. First eliminate indeterminate form by simplification. Already you know definition of modulus of x. Minus x if x value less than 0, plus x or simply x if x value greater than or equal to 0. For all negative numbers mod x is minus x, for all positive numbers mod x is plus x. For positive numbers mod x is taken as plus x, for negative numbers mod x is taken as minus x. So usually it gives 0 by 0 form. First simplify, just use definition of modulus of x. Extending to 0 minus indicates x value less than 0. Once x value less than 0, what is mod x output? This mod x is taken as minus x divided by x. So x get cancelled, we get minus 1. Similarly evaluate right hand limit at x equal to 0. So limit extending to 0 plus, then what is our f of x? Extending to 0 plus means x value more than 0. Once x value more than 0, what is mod x output? When x value more than 0, mod x is taken as plus x. In the first step, replace mod x by x only. In the next step, limit extending to 0 plus mod x is taken as x divided by x, it will be plus 1. And already f of 0 they have given. What is f of 0? F of 0 is 0 only. F of 0 equal to 0 means left hand limit minus 1, right hand limit plus 1, functional value 0. Clearly all are unequal. Therefore, f is not continuous at 0. Therefore, f is discontinuous. Discontinuous at x equal to 0. At x equal to 0, function is discontinuous. What about all other points? F of x equal to, when x value less than 0, what is our f of x? Less than 0. Once you take x value less than 0, function is less than 0 means negative value. Negative means we get minus 1. F of x equal to, this function can be redefined as minus 1 if x value less than 0, plus 1 if x value greater than 0, 0 if x value equal to 0. Clearly these two functions are clearly equivalent. F of x equal to minus 1 when x value less than 0, f of x equal to minus 1, which type of function it is? F of x equal to minus 1, which type of function it is? F of x equal to minus 1. Clearly minus 1 is number, means it is a constant function. Already you know that every constant function is continuous everywhere. Simply write the sentence instead of polynomial, f of x equal to minus 1 for all x less than 0 being a constant function. Being constant. Being a constant function, therefore f of x is continuous for all less than 0. Then what about x value more than 0? When x value more than 0, what is our f of x? When x value more than 0, our f of x is 1. That is constant function. F of x being a constant function. F of x being a constant function, therefore f of x is continuous for all greater than 0. These two functions are equivalent, just redefined. Either this function is same as this function. First check the continuity at 0, after that conclude what about more than 0 and less than 0. At 0 only it is discontinuous, but at all other points it is continuous only. Means point of discontinuity of the function is at x equal to 0. In this case, this function is discontinuous at 0 only. At all other points it is continuous. Therefore, f is discontinuous at x equal to 0. At all other points it is continuous. Only point of discontinuity is at 0. For remaining points it is continuous. Less than 0, more than 0, it is continuous. Next, f of x and g of x. F of x and g of x be any two functions. Then composition of f and g. Composition means mixing of two functions. This concept is deleted, but we need concept of composition of functions in the continuity. In functions, this concept is deleted, but in continuity we need composition of functions. Composition means mixing of two functions. Composition means if you take function f from a to b, it is one function a to b. Another function that is from b to c. Function f is defined from set a to set b, and another function g is defined from set a to set b to c. Then third function that is from a to c. One more function is exist. Third function that is from first set to third set. That function is known as composition of f and g. Composition of f and g is denoted with g circle f. Composition of f and g is denoted with g circle f. Composition of f and g is g circle f. Composition of g and f is f circle g. Composition of functions is denoted with g circle f. G circle f of x. Its definition is g circle f of x equal to g of f of x. Function inside one more function means composition. F and g be two functions defined from a to b and b to c. Then there exists a function a to c, that function is known as composition of f and g. G circle f is composition of f and g. G circle f of x is g of f of x for all x value should be belongs to first set. This is definition of composition of functions. Simply remember, composition means mixing, or composition means function inside one more function. Suppose f of x equal to, suppose x square is given and g of x equal to some value sin x is given. Can you tell me g circle f of x value? G circle f of x. According to definition of composition, g circle f of x can be written as g of f of x. It is definition. G circle f of x is nothing but g of f of x. By definition, it will be g of f of x. G of, what is f of x? Already they have given. What is f of x? That is x square. Then, what is g of x? G of x is sin x. Then what is g of x square? Here x is there, so sin x. Here x square is there, so sin of x square. Just remember, composition means function inside one more function. That's all. F is from a to b, g is from b to c. Then third function is from a to c. That function is composition of f and g. Composition of f and g, g circle f. Composition of g and f is f circle g. F circle g is to c to a. Composition of f and g. C to A. Then what is f circle g of x is equal to f of g of x. Composition means one function inside another function. Then what is continuity of composite functions or composition of functions? Composition of functions or composite function. Composition means it is mixing of two functions, one function inside another function, right? Suppose f of x and g of x be any two functions, and g of x is continuous at x equal to, g of x is continuous at x equal to a, and f of x is continuous at x equal to g of a, means functional value at a, g of a. Then f circle, composition, g circle f circle g is continuous at x equal to a. Remember, if two functions are continuous, then their composition is continuous. G is continuous at A, f of x is continuous at g of A, then their composition is continuous at that point. F of x is continuous, g of x is continuous, then their composition is continuous. Composition of two functions is continuous. Suppose f of x and g of x are continuous functions, then their composition is continuous. Just remember this result. Proof is not necessary, right? Suppose two functions are continuous at a point, then their composition is also continuous at that point. Just remember this result. Okay? With this, I will stop today's class and I conclude this continuity. Tomorrow we will discuss differentiability of the function. Okay? Thank you.